Alright, I'm going to do a little safety improvement on my door lock and deadbolt. And we're going to take out the normal screws that are provided in the set, or that were provided in the set probably years ago, with 3-inch deck screws. I've got extra ones sitting around, and again, this is, if somebody's going to get into your house, somebody's going to, they're going to have to use a lot more force, especially when this goes into the deeper studs instead of these shallow, short screws. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out, and I'll run these new ones in. And this is, again, like a home improvement feature and safety feature, or safety feature improvement, I guess you could say. So, yeah, something like that. So let me go ahead and get my screwdriver, and I'll take these old ones out. Alright, so what we've got already, there's two that are already about 3 inches long in the deadbolt. So yeah, you do the comparison. Yeah, see, these are 3 inches long, so that's good. I want to go ahead and double them up, because this is what's provided in the packet. Well, that's about worthless, so I would just take them out, replace it with 3-inch, just like that, and then run them back in with a screwdriver. Electric screwdriver is best to make the job easier. Like that, and then like that. And then this one's already long enough. So we'll take that one out, and then run a 3-inch in there, like that. Get that one off. There we go. So that's good. I'll go ahead and do the same for the doorknob. Cheap pieces of crap. These can easily be kicked in if somebody wants to get in. Those are nothing. So yeah, just run a couple of 3-inch. You can get 4-inch. I mean, those are just as long too. You just want to make sure you hit the stud, and there we go. Oh yeah, you hit the stud there for sure. There we go. Get this next one in. Oh yeah, there. Added reinforcement for home security. I'll do that on my side door next. Alright, same thing. Remove the little short pieces of crap. Yeah, I don't even know why they supply something that small in here. And then run a 3-inch in like that. Alright. Oh yeah. Stud. Yeah, I think those are killing my batteries. Wow. They're in there. Alright, let me go ahead and get these out. See if I got enough juice. Alright, and then run them in. Alright, and then we'll get these off, like that. Come on. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. Alright. Go! Come on! Man. And I'll try to get this last one. Yeah! Alright, good. So they're in. And double check, make sure I got them in enough. Oh yeah. Yeah. Nice and solid. So there you go. A little quick video on improving your home security with some 3-inch deck screws. You know, replacing the little short stumpy ones that are supplied with your lock and key set. So yeah, that'll help probably help deter burglars. And another thing, you got a deadbolt, try to get one with a deadbolt on the back side, so if somebody breaks through the glass, they won't be able to unlock the deadbolt because it requires a key on the inside as well. So yeah, little safety feature or security feature to pass on to you. So yeah, hope that gives you some ideas and yeah, improves your home security a little bit. So until next time, adios.